Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to use the free dictionary API in Excel sheet to get meaning of a word. So here you can see it contains the URL which can be used to get the meaning, and in the end we have to add the word. So I will just copy this, and then the result will be in the form of JSON data. You can see it contains the word, the phonetics, then it contains the origin and meanings. Inside meanings, there is part of speech and definitions. And inside definitions, there is definition, example, synonyms, and antonyms. So we will use this in Excel. So in Excel, here in A1 is nothing. In A2, I will enter the word, and in A5, I will get the result. So I will give a name to this A2 field. Here instead of A2, I will write word to query. Okay, remember this word to query. We will use this later. So click enter here, and now the name of this cell is added. Next we go to A5, and then we'll go to data. Inside this, okay, we can directly go to from web. Okay, so in from web we'll enter this URL, and since it doesn't give any other option, we have to write the name of the word here. So we'll write name of the word, which is arranged, and click OK. So this will enter or open the Power Query. Okay, now we have got the result. We got the name of the word, but we need to use this A2 cell. So we'll go to home and click on advanced editor. Okay, here instead of arrange, we can use the cell. So we'll add a new variable. We'll name it word is equal to, and here we have to get the data from the cell. So we'll use this formula. We have to use this formula Excel dot current workbook name is equal to, here we have to write name of the cell, which is word to query, content 0 column 1, and in the end comma. So I'll just copy this and paste it here. Okay, you can see this Excel dot current workbook name is equal to word to query, and then there is content 0 column 1 and comma, and here instead of this word arranged, I'll just remove this, and after the double quotes I will use and then I will write word. Here this variable word is used here, and rest of things will remain same. So click on done, and here it says information is required about data privacy. So click on continue here, and here click on ignore privacy levels and click save. Okay, so now they can get the data from the worksheet, from the Excel sheet. So now we have got the data. Next, click on two table, and click OK here. So this will add a column here. Now click on this symbol, and here select whatever is required. So we do not need phonetics, we do not need license, and we do not need source URLs. We only need word and phonetic and meanings. So click OK here. Okay, now in meanings, again click on this, expand to new rows. Okay, again click on this, and here select part of speech and definitions, and deselect synonyms and antonyms, and click OK. So now we got the part of speech, and next is the definition. So inside, again click here, click on expand to new rows, and inside this again click here, click on definition. Okay, we select definition and deselect synonyms, antonyms, and example. We do not need synonyms, antonyms, and examples, and click OK. So this will give the result. Now we have to add it. So click on close and load, and here click on close and load to. So in this, click on import data to existing worksheet as table. Okay, and click OK. So this will add the meaning of the word here. Now if we want to use some other word, here you can write something else. Let's write window. Okay, and then go to this table and click refresh. So this will give us the meaning of this word window. You can see it contains noun, so many nouns and two verbs. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.